Hey guys, it's Ivy. Welcome to the coupon cap. Y'all see this? We got a full-blown blizzard, a snowstorm coming. Well, what I'm getting ready to do is our weekly coupon matchup at Walmart. So let's go in here and go. And don't forget, we got P&G. So we'll do a couple of those also. But it's going to be good because we got very good coupons. So let's go. Okay guys, we are in, here we go, Thermacare. I told you these would be very good coupons. So you see that $3 off and it's coming from retail. Me now it's $130. Look, $5.94. So this is $2.94 for how many? And it's 3 in here. That is real good. Get that one. That's a good deal right there. So let's go to the next. I didn't clip the Icy Hot coupon, but this is $4.96. The coupon is for $2. That's good too. Here we got $1 off coupon for any Tylenol, $3.97. That will be $2.97, and that is for a 24 count. Okay, here's the Tom's Natural Gal. They are $3.97. We got a coupon for $1.50 also, $2.50. That is good for Tom's. Okay guys, again, we got the Poise Pass. That's $4.84. We got a coupon for $2 off. So those make those $2.84. That is another great deal that you can grab in Walmart. Use whatever coupons you have to bring down your overage. So Summer's Eve, once again, with a coupon on the box already. They $1.74. If you buy 2, you get $1.50 off. So that right there, that's a good deal. They're $1 and something a piece. But you get a 50-cent coupon with it. So pull that one, guys. As you can see, they already going. Okay, guys. Now, get your P&G coupons ready. Because look what's on sale. These coupons are still here. And here is the Sweat Defense for $3.50. We got a coupon for that. And the P&G. And then you got all of these are clearance. All of this is clearance out. All of it. So remember, this is how your clearance sticker will look, and that's how your regular sticker looks. Right there. Okay guys, these are Summer Eves, but I don't know how much that's the spray. Remember, if 2 sprays, you gotta buy 2, you get $1.50 off. But I have no idea because this box looks like it's emptying out, huh? Yeah. Okay guys, I hate to tell you this one because you know I don't pay for toothpaste, but since some people don't go to, coupon like I do. This $2.96, the $1 off coupon, make it $1.96. But what's our motto? We do not pay for toothpaste. Okay, we got a $2 off Crest coupon for a multi-pack. They coupon is $4.04. Their cost for the 3-pack is $4.42. So you'll pay $2.42 for 3 packs. It's still cheaper, but I just don't pay for toothpaste. But people who do, there you go right there. Look guys, Secret Clinical, $6. We do have a Secret coupon in P&G. That's why I said get them. Here's $5.60 for Secret, $5.25 for Secret, and then if you caught that one, it's $4.15. So now our P&Gs is working for us with these deodorant coupons. Okay guys, so here, Oil of Olay, $5.97. Look at this, $1 off. That coupon is for $1. So $4.97. These are the new ones. Okay, and I show you these guys because you always find overage coupons to bring it down for you if you want that product. You just don't get it just because you don't have it. You don't have a price for it. Find your overage coupons and bring them down. Okay, you got $3 off 2 Head and Shoulders. So look like they run it at $5.94 in Walmart. Remember, if you go to any other store like Walgreens or CVS, you can stack those coupons and get an even cheaper price. And I don't see any for a cheaper price either. So $5.94 is the cheapest. Okay, Tresemme is $3.98. Right here, you got a coupon for $4 off too. You all know this is a good price if you shop at Walmart. But if you at anywhere between CVS, Target, or Walgreens, you're gonna get this probably free, and at Target you're gonna get a $5 gift card. So just be careful about which one you grab, okay? But if you must come here and buy, you get the one for $3.98. Okay guys, now this is just a little FYI. It might work, it might not, but it's usually been working for me. So that's why I'm going to tell you about it. This is $2.98. We got $4 off for 2. This Garnier, it's a hair care product colored. This work on any Garnier. So you could get these and pay $1 a piece, or you can go to Target, Walgreens, or CVS and probably get it for free plus bucks back. Okay, you got Herbal Essence $3.97. Oh look, those new Herbal Essence and Lush Aromas $3.97, and you got a $4 off of two. So you end up paying $1 a piece for each one of them, or $1.50 a piece. Okay. So, but again, if you want to get them for a cheaper price, CVS, Walgreens, or even it's one more store, Target. That's the store. Okay. Hey, we have a coupon for $5 off of two Tresenays. I guarantee you they work on these ones for $3 or something. All you gotta do is try them. So that's just a little FYI. Try. If it don't work, just say, "Oh, I got the wrong one." Okay, Pantene. We have $5 off three Pantene. $3.47. Did you see that? That Pantene coupon, I know it's specified, but it works on these. Grab three of these. But again, Walgreens and CVS usually have a stacker, and so does Target, okay? Okay, look guys, you got CoverGirl. Get out your coupons, because CoverGirl is $1. I don't have that coupon with me though. Who is this? That's Sally Hansen. Find your coupons for this stuff. So they got plenty of makeup, all of that stuff you can get up in here. Look at that. One Step Gel Pen. Oh, press on nails, $3. That's cute. Maybe I'll buy those and see if they want them. Well, see if I'm gonna use them. Okay, let's keep it going. Oh look, more CoverGirl. $2.50 for face covering. For foundation. Look, $3.50. All you need is your coupon. Okay, here. You got that. That's on sale, but I couldn't get that because you can get it for a cheaper price. Here's a Revlon. Wow. I was here last week and you had tons of stuff on the sale. They came and cleaned all of this out right here. But look at that face mask for 25 cents. They 25 cents. That's a good deal. Sure is. Yeah. Okay, time to rack up, stack up, and drop them in your kids' thing. And it's 2-pack. It's 2 in there. So I'm gonna grab this basketball mask, and then we're going over in the detergent. Okay, let me grab some more. That's for India. I grab that, and then I got that one. And I want to make sure they're 25 cents. So I don't want to grab one that's not. Here, I grab this one right here. See that? Guys, these is 25 cents. So I got $1 worth of mask. Okay, guys, here we go to the fun stuff. The Loves is $4.97. There go our coupon back again for $1.50. Grab those, get you some overage coupons, and make sure that you use them. Okay, guys, Febreze plug oil warmer, $2.97. And guess what we got? Bam, coupon for one free one, up to $3. There you go. So I'm gonna go ahead on and grab this one now. Even though this is a match up, I'm gonna get it today, because as you can see, they ain't hit. It's some in the back. So okay, the Febreze air is $2.97. There's one back there. Let's see. There you go. $2.97. Buy one get one free. And this is the coupon out of the P&G. Buy one get one free. Okay. Okay. $2.97. And here is the Airwick plug right here. Starter kit. $1.50 off coupon. That's cheaper than Dollar General and Family Dollar where we be getting these at. We down the detergent aisle, guys. And let's see. We're into, let's see, the Pyrex crystals. I do not see them. But maybe I need to go down some. Oh, here they are right here. So we got $1 off. $1 off Pyrex crystals. Here's the coupon right here. And so they are $1.97. That is a great deal. Now I am in the store with my mother, so my mother is picking up her stuff as we go. So the things you saw me grab, those are going to mother, not me. Okay, Pyrex, look at that. $3.97. You got $1 off coupon, making that Pyrex $2.97. So that's see, my mom don't coupon, so she said that's a good deal. But you know, like I told you, $1.50 or less for me with detergent. But oh look guys, Pyrex for babies, $3.97. Now that's a good deal because that's for babies and it's kind of new, so I will pay that. Okay. Now Ajax is $2.87 here, and it's the 32 load. We got a coupon for $1 off, making that $187. That's a good deal. All their candles was on sale, guys. No more. Ain't no more. $2. Wherever these was at, they were 94 cents and they were candles. We missed all of those good sales. Something was 50 cents. Oh my God, black cherry, whatever that was, it was 50 cents. Okay, $5.48, and this for the Nivea. Oh look, Nivea Breathable, that's new. Y'all know I love Nivea, so it is $2 off of one. So I'll pay $3.48 for that. That's a good deal. Okay, here guys, right here. Take a look. See that? $2.98 for Nivea Daily Moisture is lotion right here. That coupon for $2. That's 92 cents. So I'll be grabbing that for mother. Okay, guys. So this is what we'll be. Okay, guys. So thanks for tuning in to Walmart coupon matchup. Stay tuned for Walmart's coupon and haul on Monday at 7 a.m. Bye.